What can you expect when ordering the Alto NG Rudder Starter Kit? Let's find out in today's unboxing. You'll receive the kit in a compact box where all the parts are securely packaged, so it can be shipped anywhere in the world and safely arrive at your door. In the main compartment, you'll find the internal structure parts along with the skin covers, while on the sides you'll find your building materials and tools. One of the main advantages of our kit is the match hole technology. Every part comes with pre-machined holes that perfectly align with its matching piece. This makes the whole build process much easier, faster, and smoother. And it doesn't stop with the rudder. This technology is used throughout the entire aircraft. Just imagine how much time you'll save when you don't have to drill any holes during assembly. That's exactly the purpose of the Rudder Starter Kit, to give you a hands-on experience of how we've made the build process simple for you, helping you get into the air faster. Our focus isn't only on the build itself. We also care about the years of flying ahead. Which brings us to another big benefit. Every part is primed on the inside to protect against corrosion. This added layer of protection helps your aircraft stand strong against the elements over time. Not just build it fast, build it to last. When it comes to assembling, you'll get a detailed plan that includes a parts list with unique codes. Each part has a matching sticker, so you'll always know exactly where everything fits. No guessing. You'll also get a PDF photo guide to follow during the build. And now, newly added, 3D models that you can explore directly in your web browser. Rotate, zoom, pull apart. See how every piece fits and functions. You can move the parts around on screen and understand their mechanics side by side with the real thing right in front of you. So how fast do you think you could build this kit yourself? Subscribe and find out in the next video where we'll build this kit with a timer.